Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie M with Forever Mommy Media. Today we're going to be checking out how toothpaste can do some amazing things around your house. Getting right into it, Sharpie on hardwood floor. Yeah, it happens. And I've tried other things, including the magic eraser, and it actually leaves marks on the floor. And toothpaste, however, does not. So you just take a little bit on a cloth and just scrub, and it comes off. And when you're all done, just take a damp cloth and go over it. But honestly, this was so amazing to me when I figured this out. I don't know how I didn't figure this out sooner. Another wonderful thing that toothpaste can do is clean faucets and sinks really too. But in this case, I'm working on the faucet, and granted it's not its dirtiest, but I'm showing this to you because I know this works. It just gives it a really nice clean. It makes it so super shiny, and this video actually does not even do it justice to what it looks like in real life. And just wipe it off with another damp cloth when you're done, and it's nice and shiny. Now when I get a pair of shoes, I want them to stay nice for a while because I don't buy a new pair of shoes every day, and actually this pair was a gift, and I want to keep them nice as long as I can. However, sometimes they're gonna get dirty, so just take some toothpaste on an old toothbrush and just scrub away, and then wipe it off with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. And you can use this on kids' shoes too. I'm using it on mine right now, but you can also use it on kids' shoes to help keep them nicer longer, which is another thing that totally needs to happen. Oh no, I have red stuff on my counter. But don't worry, there's toothpaste that's going to help take it off. Don't ask me why, but toothpaste will actually take off red coloring, red, what do you want to call it, stain on your countertops. And that makes me really happy because I have white countertops and I use a lot of things that stain. So this is definitely a great way to get it clean, plus it smells good after. Now this is our last one, but before I say it, I just want to let you know, hang around for a minute after because I have something else to tell you. But this was actually really handy. Toothpaste will take off nail polish. Now, I'll be honest with you, it was a lot of elbow grease that was involved with this, and I had to put on a couple dabs of toothpaste throughout, but it got my nail polish off. So that was pretty amazing, which is great, especially if you run out of nail polish remover and it's nighttime and you need it off right now and your kids are sleeping and you can't leave. So you've got toothpaste to help. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below if you have any amazing tricks that you do with toothpaste too. As promised, I said I was going to tell you something afterwards. Guess what? Toothpaste cannot vacuum your floors for you. And toothpaste can definitely not take out the trash for you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week and see you next week with the next video.